Hello guys, hello everyone. Welcome to Merci No Regret channel. My channel is about living a healthy life. If you want to look beautiful, amazing makeup, feel free to check me out. I use the same name on my IG, on my Facebook. I use the same name. May the good God bless you all. Hello everyone. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks for sharing me out to your friends and family. May the good God bless you all. Today I will be unboxing my fantastic product. I ordered it on Monday. This morning it already arrived. Oh my God, very fast. So we are going to unbox them together to see what is inside. So let's go. The first one is lipstick. Let's see the color. Very beautiful. Women and different lipstick. Oh my God. Very beautiful color. Then let's see. This is conceal. Conceal we use to apply before applying foundation, then bronze. This is conceal. It will help your face to be more beautiful. Olden days we don't use many makeup, but nowadays we add a little one, a little conceal, a little foundation, a little bronze. It will help to be more beautiful. Oh my God, since I started using them, I continue to use them. I don't know how to do makeup. I don't know how to do makeup because you don't have all the things needed. When you have everything, it's easy to do your makeup the way you like it. If you want to reach me, I use the same name on my Facebook, on my IG. I use the same name. I'm also on TikTok. I use Mercy Power Star on TikTok. Feel free to be part of me. It's free registration to be part of me. All those ones, I have my own discounts of having all those things. That is the number one gain, the number one. So let's go forward. The next one is this. It comes like this. It's called Ganoderma. It's called Ganoderma. Then let's go to the next one. Oh my God. They are all vitamin. It's a big help to live healthy. Nowadays, we know we have to help ourselves. Oh my God. This one is vitamin C. This one is vitamin C. Everybody know that one. It's a very big help too. If you live in Europe, you can also be part of me. If you want to add another thing to your white tea, you can also be part of me. So let's see this. Okay, let's see this, the remaining two things. Okay, this one is for washing of ground, for house hygiene. This one is for washing of clothes. They are all fantastic products. I use them almost 3 years now that I have been using all of them. So if you want to reach me, feel free. I use the same name on my IG. I use the same name on my Facebook. Let's dance a little for this amazing music. Join me. Let's dance. Happiness is free. May the good God bless you all as you continue to share me out, as you continue to watch my video. May the Almighty God continue to bless you. Show love to my members too. Peace John is number one. My member, show love to Ranita F3. She's also my member. Show love to them. Feel free to be part of my membership too. My channel is monetized. It's a way of showing love to my channel. May the good God continue to bless your pockets. All my super chatter, may the good God bless every one of you. May the good God continue to provide for every one of you. Thanks everyone for watching my video. I love you all with the love of God. One love, keep us together. I love you all.